Welcome to today's trade that I took on GER30 during the London session. Today was a just under 1% loss. I'll explain why I lost, like the reason. There's a solid reason why. It was basically like a user error from me. But yeah, I'll go on with the trade. So starting off with a 1 hour, I set my daily bias to be bearish, as there was a recent break of structure over here, a bearish one. So I kind of looked for sells only, and in the 15-minute time frame, I went to look for my points of interest if it loads. Okay, so it loaded, and what I saw was buy-sell liquidity sweeps. So I marked this one out, this one, and this one, and in the market open, the price swept past the first liquidity. It didn't break structure, so it kept going, and then it swept this liquidity. So I just deleted that, and what I was looking for was a break of structure, which we got here. So there was a break of structure here, as well as a fair value gap. Oh, it was hard to pin it. I have to move this. So it formed a fair value gap, and the price also started reversing back into this fair value gap. So as it started reversing back, I used my equilibrium tool, and the price pretty much perfectly tapped into the golden zone, and they also reacted well off of this fair value gap. So I just wanted to pretty much enter from there. However, the price kind of did go down here, and I waited for it to kind of retreat back. So I entered off somewhere around here. I set my stop to be just above this high, plus 2 pips. And my first take profit was this 15-minute low, which would have been around a 1.5. And the second take profit would have been this one. So it would have been 2.26 risk to reward. And the result was the price going slightly down. Would I have got a 1-to-1? No, not even a 1-to-1. It went like negative, where it kept going up and down, consolidating, until it eventually stopped me out. I did not get stopped out here. It was perfectly at my like edging my stop loss, until eventually it did stop me out and just rallied all the way up. So there's an issue which I identified, which was with the daily bias. So today I should not have been looking for sells, and the reason to this is if I go to the 1 hour time frame and find the market open, the price had a recent break of structure. However, previously it was really bullish, and on the 4 hour it was also extremely bullish. So what I should have done was checked how, if the price is simply just retracing down within the time I am trading, or if it has completed the retracement and then continues its extension forward. So what I found was that there was a fair value gap over here, which was tapped into. So it wicked through, which basically means that the price will continue to go up. Also, if I were to use my equilibrium tool, the retracement pretty much finished as well. So it tapped into the golden zone, went back down, and then continued its way back up. So the price pretty much continued, finished its retracement during my session, or even before actually, and then it just continued to go up. So what I could have done better was looked at the daily bias and looked for buys. So yeah, that's pretty much a learning lesson. I've lost under 1%, so I'm still technically up overall, but that is a lesson to learn. You won't always get wins. You always get losses in trading, especially the ones like these ones where you kind of learn from them. And a lot of traders that don't even mention like their losses, they only kind of show their wins and stuff because they hide the fact that they have taken a loss. But yeah, this is a trade for me today. See you again.